And the race is on. Doña Erica mesmerized, rushing up and in between runners. Ideal View moving up from the outside is Wonder Joyce. Then comes Kat May. Ninjitsu is racing 6. Then here comes Hakuna Matata. Mesmerized, Wonder Joyce, Kat May, Doña Erica. Ninjitsu is racing in 5th, running 6. Kat May. Hakuna Matata is racing in 6 at this moment. Last 450, Mesmerized, Wonder Joyce, Doña Erica, Ideal Blue, Ninjitsu, Hakuna Matata is racing from the outside. Last 250, Mesmerized, Doña Erica, Wonder Joyce, and Hakuna Matata is racing from the outside. Doña Erica, Mesmerized, Hakuna Matata, and Ninjitsu. And finally, number 5, Hakuna Matata, Ninjitsu. Close. Doña Erica, Kat May, Mesmerized, Wonder Joyce.